Okay, today's topic is about the thickness of soil. Have you ever built a sand castle that just crumbled or tried to make a mud pie that was more of mud soil? Well, today we are getting our hands ready to figure out why soil gets stick and how scientists actually measure it. Have you ever seen the difference between dry and wet soil? Dry soil just falls away, but wet soil, it sticks. It sticks to itself, and it definitely sticks to my boots. The thickness is not just an annoyance, it is a crucial part of figuring out if you can build a road, plant a crop, or even lay a foundation for a house. But how do you measure something as vague as thickness? You can't just put it on a scale, right? Yeah. Well, in the field, soil scientists use a simple method called the ribbon test. You take a handful of moist soil, squeeze it into a bowl, and then try to squeeze it out between your thumbnail and fingerprint to form a ribbon. We can demonstrate this practically by using three different texture soils. First, we use a sand soil that crumbles immediately. Then, we use a loam soil which forms a hard, fragile ribbon that breaks. And finally, we use a clay soil which forms a long, flexible ribbon. It crumbles right away. That's sand, low thickness. If you can make a short ribbon, that's long. But if you can make a long, shiny ribbon that hangs there without breaking, that is clay cell. That long ribbon means the soil particles are very small and have a high surface area, creating a lot of cohesion and adhesion. In other words, that's maximum stickiness. But for serious engineering, we need to measure soil thickness by more lab settings that give us quantitative measurement. That's where tools like the pocket penetrator or shear vein came in to use. We press them into the soil and they measure the force required to break that thickness, what scientists called shear strength. It measures how much stress the soil can handle before the stick bonds between the particles break and it slides apart. This tells engineers if the ground is stable enough to build on. So, the next time you are scraping mud off your shoes, remember that you are not just cleaning up. You are interacting with a complex material whose thickness can be measured from a simple ribbon in your hand to a tech sensor. It is the stick stuff that holds our world together. Thank you very much. Thank you.